Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. If you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. You also have a craze of hair fashion, then you come on a right platform. In this platform, you can get latest hairstyles, bouncy hair dye color ideas and updated haircuts for women and men both. As well as also you can get hair growth remedies and girls hair accessories ideas. So don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. So guys, you must watching my videos without skipping it and watching till the end. If you love my today content, then do share it with other people as well as your friends and family members. Thumbs up for this video. I work so hard for you with honesty. So guys, keep watching my videos and keep spotting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I try to complete your request and bring out more new updates for you. So viewers, my goal is to inspire our viewers to believe in self-confidence and to create their own unique style across all over the categories of fashion. So guys, here you will find the latest trends on Visual Hairstylist. Guys, let's come to the main point. So in my today content, I am sharing with you a punky pixie with undercut that is most influential and trendy in 2022. Guys, do you know about what is a pixie cut? I want to tell you that this pixie cut is a short hairstyle, generally short on the back and sides of the head and slightly longer on the top with very short bangs. It is a variant of a crop. The name is derived from the mythological Pixie. So as you know, my today topic is punky pixie with undercut. That what is punky pixie with undercut? Basically, an undercut pixie cut is basically a woman's haircut where the side or back are shaved and disconnected from the short hair on top. In essence, it's an edgy cut that fuses two bold, versatile and sporty haircuts together and is invented to satisfy fashion-savvy rocker chicks. So guys, as you can see in my video, I am sharing with you several pictures of this punky pixie with undercut idea. So if you love this haircut, you can take the idea from my video and step out in the fashion world. So there are some benefits of pixie haircut. Short pixie cuts are sassy and bold and can adapt to many styles. They are not just edgy, there's plenty of other benefits to making the cut. This haircut is also help you to boost your confidence. Many people feel liberated after ditching long hair in favor of a pixie. The carefree and laid-back nature of the cut can help your other assets shine, such as your high cheekbones or great smile showcase you other beauty and confidence with a cut that's just as exciting as you. When it's come to punky celebrities, Pink is the very first and probably the brightest person that come to our minds. Her I don't care pixie with an undercut and a very high top really expresses her personality, and the short sides have the style to keep up with the rebel shape. So that is all about my today content. I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family friends. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Take care of yourself. So if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Take care.